Multiple inclines feed racetrack-style conveyor accumulation by Multi-Conveyor. Multi-Conveyor recently built a series of conveyor technologies designed to tactically transport a granulated whole bean or dry beverage product. Product travels from two bagger discharges through curves and elevations, ultimately depositing onto a continuous running loop where it is staged for hand packing. Note, product used in this video is for demonstration purposes only. Product simultaneously ascends up to 12-inch wide side flexing incline conveyor sections at parallel locations. The first incline incorporates a 90-degree by 24-inch radius curve to align the product narrow edge leading, then drops through a descending transfer plate that merges product onto the non-stop recirculating loop. The second incline takes the product through a single straight incline, also narrow edge leading. The continuous 60 feet per minute loop uses two 180-degree by 24-inch radius curves that sandwich two 13-foot straight running sections. Hand pack operators will be stationed along the outer length of the looping conveyor, where they will manually load product into cases prior to a case sealer. The sequence of product transition was critical to ensure the bags were easy to grab while minimizing product overlapping. Loop conveyors are not a stereotype accumulation choice. Yet, this was the perfect solution for continual product accessibility required for this hand pack operation. Choose to view many concept to conveyor videos by technology featuring proven mechanical and electrical design configurations by visiting our video gallery at www.multi-conveyor.com. Then call us at 1-800-236-7960. Let's get working on your next conveyor project. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best conveyed better.